Transport, they have given assurance कि after some time they will try to like appoint one DTO for Jirbam district.
National Road Safety Man ka mari lenena DC Jiribamna ngasi pending competition ama RK Sanatombi Jiribamda gari thawriba mi singsida section hanba haibadi national gi oina tara measures mayam lay adu section na chatpiba lambi da accident tholakpa misi mina yawrakpa maram chadana traffic mayam ama panduna leiba adagi chatliba mibu safe ohendaba adu mayam dudagi ngakthoknaba akhoi sigi measure si akhoi national gi oina pangthokleba thoram si Jiribam gi su DC Jiribam dagi taraptagi pangthokchari हाइरिबा थौरम पांथोक सी खक्ता नतना अतोप प्रोग्राम मैम अमसु अखोइना पांथोकदबगी सेम साबा लोइजारे सी तौरिबसी कॉलेज स्टूडेंट सिंग हायर सेकेंडरी अमदी हाई स्कूल स्टूडेंट सिंग बा पांथोकली
Everyone, today as a part of 35th Road Safety Month, this drive is being organized along with our Superintendent of Police, our SDO, SDCs and other officers from the district. The basic purpose of this road safety drive to make the people aware about all the provisions, traffic rules and regulations. We know that three things are very important. One is awareness, second is alertness, third is responsiveness. When we talk about the awareness, it is all about the awareness about the traffic rules, regulations and all the safety features. Second, when we talk about the alertness, it is about all the due precautions which we should have while driving any vehicle on the road, about the safety of not the yourself but also about your co-passengers, all the vehicles, those who are moving on the road along with the pedestrians. Third thing which is very important, responsiveness, because in any case wherever there is any accident, how we are going to respond, because the role of first responder is very important and it can save precious life of any people those met an accident. Third thing, as a part of this road safety month, various drives, awareness programs are being organized in our Jirbam district starting from last week itself. So here of course government is taking all efforts to ensure safety of all the people, passengers, those who are moving on this road, but we need cooperation from the general public as well, and their attitude and their coordination and their cooperation, it will make sure safety of all the passengers. By doing this only we can ensure safe road and safe passenger ecosystem. So in this area we are very fortunate and we are getting all support from our Superintendent of Police Jirbam. They are on day-to-day basis, they are ensuring traffic management, because we know we don't have here separate SP traffic for the Jirbam district, but he is doing all work in a hard manner, whether it's a day or night. So we are very thankful to our SP, and we are also very thankful to our SDO and all the SDCs. And today we have students, they came voluntarily to be part of this. In such a manner we need participation from all the public from the Jirbam district. For DTO office, we have approached and we have sent some letter also to the secretariat, and from the secretary transport they have given assurance that after some time they will try to like appoint one DTO for Jirbam district, because we are well aware the situation, the problem which is being faced from the public of Jirbam district.
Road safety month matungina akhoi disisa ko yauraga akhoi adana ngakpa haitare ne ko adu ngakta basina akhoi mukade awareness piba adu program amusu leibne.
Wow. All safety rules. Before riding on the road, I will always follow the rules of the road and traffic. I will ensure my own.
यार यार